Hello, happy students. In this short video, I'm going to talk about numbers, ordinal numbers, and when you put an S on the ends of numbers. So, ordinal numbers, or I like to call them position numbers, are numbers that you use when you want to tell when something happened. Okay, this would be for dates or positions. For example, she came in first place. He was the first to arrive. Or dates like my birthday is September 7th. Now these have a different pronunciation than our regular numbers. For example, 1, first, ends in an ST. 2, second, ND. Third, or 3, ends in an RD. First, second, third. Now, these are the same for the 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and so on. We say first, second, third, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 31st, 32nd, 33rd, etc. The other numbers end in a TH. 4, fourth, 5, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Be careful when you say them not to spit on somebody. Excuse me. All right. Oh, a student asked me recently, teacher, do we have to add an S to the names of numbers, like 100? Would I say 200s or 300s? Well, the answer is no, you don't. Do not add an S on the ends of numbers. Usually do not add an S. For example, 200, you would not say 200s, just 200. For a dozen, you would say 1 dozen, 2 dozen, not 2 dozens. Okay, no S. The same with 1,000, 5,000 people, 25,000 tickets. The S goes on the noun which the number is describing. For example, 25,000 tickets. S is on the tickets. Or 500 seats. So, here's an example when you do add an S on the ends of numbers. When you want to tell the number of people at an event, for example, you're speaking in general. Hundreds of people. There were hundreds of people. This is not a specific number like there were 300 people, there were 600 people. I don't know how many, so I say about. There were hundreds of people, or there were thousands of cars on the road. Last example with chickens. There were dozens of chickens in the yard, okay? I don't know how many. Their chickens are everywhere. There must have been dozens of chickens. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Give me any suggestions in the comments. Thank you very much for listening, and I will see you next time.